How to sign up for Kick account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Kick account. Kick is a rapidly growing live streaming platform that offers a creator-friendly environment that allows users to broadcast live videos across various categories. In order to create an account or sign up for Kick account, you will need to first open your Kick application on your mobile device. Once after opening the Kick application on your mobile device, you will land on this homepage. Here at the top right, you'll be able to see the sign up button. Go ahead and tap on the sign up button, and then here you will need to enter the details in order to continue further. In the first text box, here you will need to enter your email address. After entering your email address, now select your birthday. Select the day, month and the year. Once after selecting it, now you will need to set a username. Tap on this username text box and then enter your username. Once after entering the username, if your username has already been taken, you will need to enter it a new one. After that, now you will need to create a strong password. Make sure your password requires capital, lowercases, numbers and symbols. Once after creating a password, again enter the same password in this last text box. Make sure they matches each other. Now once after entering all these credentials, tap on this sign up button right here. Now a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address. Wait for the code, and once you get the code, you will need to enter it in this field. Now after entering it, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions here. Scroll down and tap on this accept button at the very bottom. After that, you will see this pop-up at the bottom of your screen. Tap on this allow in order to allow the notifications from Kick application. After that, you will see you have successfully created Kick account. In order to check your username, you can tap on the icon at the top right corner of your screen. Then there you'll be able to see your profile name. So this is how you can create an account on Kick. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.